Good morning, everyone. It is a gorgeous start to our morning. A beautiful sunrise out there. This is our American Fidelity camera from our Air Comfort Skycam network. A little on the cool side. That's not going to be the case all day today. 47 degrees. We do have a sustained wind, though, out of the north at 18 miles an hour. It is going to be another windy day today. In fact, we do have a wind advisory that we'll show you in just a moment. 47 degrees right now in Stillwater, 57 in McAllister, 61 down in Idabel. The upper 30s, though, out in the Panhandle right next to Guyman. Yeah, everyone's seeing that north wind. It's a kind of a different world down in far southeast Oklahoma. It's warmer, they've got lighter winds, but the rest of us, we've got a north wind between about 25 to as much as around 35 miles an hour. But from time to time, Medicine Park down in Comanche County has been seeing gusts over 40 miles an hour. At times, it was actually around 50 miles an hour earlier this morning, just a couple of hours ago. So yeah, it is going to be another windy day, especially for this part of the state, central and southwest Oklahoma. That is where we currently do have that wind advisory, and it goes until 9 o'clock tonight. So easily could see gusts over 40 miles an hour throughout the afternoon and early evening. Satellite and radar showing a pretty quiet picture right now across Oklahoma. That cold front came through. It is now well to our south and east. We do have some clouds out in the Panhandle. Those clouds will be increasing from the northwest to the southeast later on today. And this is why we've got a big storm system out west. This is what we've been talking about over the past several days now. We've got some rain showers over Arizona, eventually expecting some snow showers over parts of New Mexico. They actually have several winter storm warnings out there. I don't expect to see that here in our state. However, we are expecting some winter weather. What does that mean? Well, I think overnight tonight, once that air begins to saturate a little bit more, initially we're going to see some snowfall out in the Panhandle, but that is where it's going to stay. And we're only expecting maybe an inch or less. The rest of us will begin to see more of a cloudy sky. It's going to become pretty overcast overnight tonight into tomorrow. And then eventually we're going to see some rain showers forming out in western Oklahoma. During the afternoon, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think chances look a lot better, though, later on in the evening into tomorrow night. So Monday at 10 o'clock, here we go. We've got some heavier rain showers moving through, and that's going to be the trend as we go throughout Monday night into early Tuesday. And then later on Tuesday evening, those rain showers will be shifting off to the south and east. The good news is it's basically going to be a 2-day rainfall event. We are expecting some good soaking rain, some beneficial rains. We desperately need it. We are still under a severe drought here in central Oklahoma and an extreme drought in parts of southeast Oklahoma. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, some of the models are indicating we could easily see around an inch here in central Oklahoma. Those higher amounts will be staying to our southwest and in parts of southern Oklahoma where we could easily see around an inch to an inch and a half. So great news there if we actually get it. But at this point, it does look pretty likely that we're at least going to get some good beneficial rains out of this. Today, though, it's going to be dry, it's going to be windy, and it's going to be seasonally cool. Highs in the upper 50s, the mid to upper 60s, though, in parts of southeast Oklahoma, and a very gusty north wind. That wind will be subsiding a little bit, though, overnight tonight. Still out of the north and east, temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 30s, the mid 40s in parts of far southeast Oklahoma. And then again, overnight tonight, still expecting maybe a very slight chance of very light rain or sprinkles in parts of western Oklahoma, and outside chance that we see anything here in central Oklahoma. Better chances for snow showers happening by early tomorrow morning in the Panhandle. The rest of us will not see any snow. It's still way too warm. We had highs in the upper 80s yesterday. Record high temperatures, not quite as warm today, and it's going to get even chillier over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, looking for a high of 49 degrees, a little milder out to the east because that cloud cover is going to lower. It's going to be a lot more thick out in western Oklahoma, and that's where those rain showers will initially begin. So it looks like we're going to have a moderate chance later in the afternoon, just a slight chance we're going to see anything in the early afternoon here in Oklahoma City. But later on in the evening, those rain chances will really be picking up, and that's going to be spreading from west to east across the state. So our 9-day forecast showing rain showers expected by tomorrow evening. Looks like throughout much of the day on Tuesday, it's going to be a little bit of a soaker. That's good news for us. The sunshine returns on Wednesday, and temperatures begin to recover into the 60s Thursday and Friday.
Wow, so lots of rain on Tuesday, huh?
It looks like we have a decent amount of rain coming our way.
Oh, well, that'll be good. Like you've been mentioning all morning, high fire danger.
Yes, burn ban in effect for central and all of eastern Oklahoma.
Yeah, especially today. All right, Cassie, thank you.